Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. This is Pixel XL2 from 2017 and let's talk about Android 10 1 month later, shall we? So Pixel XL2 and Android 10. This is the Panda version. I love it. This is a skin, by the way. It's a cheap skin. And let's talk about Pixel XL2 1 month later. So if you still rocking the Pixel XL2, let me know in the comments down below. I still have this Pixel and it's been updated to the Android 10 1 month later. So let me show you. So we go to the system, we go to about. This is the build number. So Android 10. Let me show you. Yeah, this is Android 10. So pretty good actually. You can move here, you can do some stuff, you can move the letters. So I mean, what actually changed, and do I see any difference of Android 10 with Pixel devices? Actually, yes. The speed is very good, very fast, very responsive, and this works fantastically. And I see some improvements of the battery, but let me talk about first the performance. Pretty good, pretty fast, actually works pretty well, which is very good. Messaging, emails, WhatsApp works pretty well. YouTube, I mean, I know this smartphone is only, it's been released 2017. It's nearly 2 years old, but still is a great smartphone. With latest Android 10 now it's even much faster, and also the battery life is being improved for some reason. I don't know for you guys, but I see better battery performance. Usually I leave my home about 6-7 in the morning with 100%, and I come back with, so I finish the day about 4 or 5 p.m. But I finish the day with, believe it or not, 40% battery, which is pretty amazing actually. Because obviously emails, phone calls, text messages, games. Well, I don't play games, to be honest. I have a couple of games here, but I don't play games most of the time if I'm bored early. But YouTube, on my breaks, I work as well, a daily job. On my breaks, just watching YouTube videos, phone calls, and I still have about 40% left in the tank. So this has been improved for some reason. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you find any difference, any changes for the battery. So it's been great actually, this Pixel XL, and I'm super happy to show you this. Obviously I know Pixel 4 is been out already, but end of the day, if this thing works, I mean, if you're happy, is no point to upgrade. And this is super interesting that you have to pay about 800 British pounds for 64 gigabytes in 2019. This is just hilarious. It's not funny, it's just bad actually. But we're not gonna discuss now Pixel 4. This is Pixel 2 XL, and I love it. I love it in 2019. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if you any changes, if anything being changed for you, if you have any problems with your device. My name is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video.